Welcome to Winner's Bench. The best Magnum Paint Sprayer is probably one of the most essential tools for any DIY enthusiast or professional painter looking to achieve a smooth, even finish on their projects, offering a significant upgrade in speed and quality compared to traditional brushes and rollers, making it an indispensable asset for everything from intricate furniture restoration to large-scale wall painting. Number 5. Graco Magnum Prox 19 Cart Paint Sprayer. Take full command of your paint flow with adjustable pressure, perfect for any project size. Its innovative tip lets you keep spraying even when clogged. This sprayer is built for large interior jobs and rental properties. It handles thicker materials and minimizes downtime with quick pump swaps. Enjoy reduced tip clogs thanks to enhanced pump filtration that catches debris in the paint. Keep your workflow smooth and uninterrupted. Our advanced piston pump enables you to spray paint without thinning, even at high pressures. Achieve a professional finish every time. The flexible suction tube allows you to draw paint directly from a 1 or 5 gallon bucket. This makes setup and cleanup incredibly convenient. Designed for extensive use, it's recommended for up to 500 gallons annually. Tackle more projects and maximize your productivity each year. Cleaning is a breeze with the power flush adapter. Simply connect it to a garden hose for quick and effortless cleanup after your job. What we like. This sprayer offers fully adjustable pressure for precise control over paint flow, making it perfect for any project size. It can spray paint unthinned at high pressure thanks to its Prox stainless steel piston pump. If you're tackling large interior projects or dealing with rental properties and need to spray thicker materials, this is a great choice. What people say. This sprayer is a great value for the money, it sprays evenly and covers well. Easy to set up and use, even for a beginner. It comes with a good selection of tips for different applications. Durable and reliable, I've used it for several projects and it still works like new. Number 4. 1000W HVLP Paint Sprayer Navy. Experience superior performance with our newly engineered 1000W motor. It's designed for enhanced efficiency, allowing you to complete your projects twice as fast with professional results. Tackle larger projects without interruption thanks to the industry-leading 1,400 milliliters capacity. This means fewer refills and more continuous spraying time for fences, furniture, and more. Achieve the perfect finish every time with adjustable spray patterns and 6 included nozzle sizes. You can easily switch between detailed work and broad coverage for flawless results. Spend less time cleaning and more time creating. Our patented design allows for a complete clean in under 5 minutes, making maintenance significantly easier than other models. Your purchase comes with everything you need, including multiple nozzles, cleaning tools, and protective gear. Plus, our dedicated customer service team is here to ensure a hassle-free experience. What we like. With a powerful 1000W motor, this sprayer delivers efficient and streak-free coating application, completing projects twice as fast as traditional methods. Its extra-large 1,400 milliliters container means fewer refills during extended spraying sessions. If you're looking for a user-friendly option for home improvement projects like fences or furniture and want to achieve professional-grade results quickly, this is ideal. What people say. This sprayer is a great value for the money and has been a lifesaver for my painting projects. It's easy to use and clean, making it a convenient tool for both beginners and experienced painters. The sprayer delivers a smooth and even coat of paint, resulting in a professional finish every time. Number 3. Graco Magnum Prox 17 Stand Paint Sprayer. Achieve ultimate control of paint flow for any project size with fully adjustable pressure. This allows you to customize the output to perfectly match your needs. Our Prox stainless steel piston pump enables you to spray paint unthinned at high pressure. This means you can achieve a professional finish without extra preparation. The flexible suction tube lets you spray directly from a 1 or 5 gallon paint bucket. This offers convenience and reduces mess during your painting tasks. With an annual use recommendation of up to 300 gallons, this sprayer is built to handle more projects each year. It's a reliable tool for frequent use. Cleaning up is a breeze thanks to the power flush adapter. It connects to a garden hose for fast and easy cleaning after your job is done. What we like. This model provides excellent control over paint flow with its fully adjustable pressure settings. It's designed to spray paint unthinned at high pressure, thanks to its Proc stainless steel piston pump. If you're a homeowner looking to complete up to 300 gallons of spraying per year and value ease of use and quick cleanup, this sprayer is a solid option. What people say. The sprayer is easy to use and clean. It sprays paint evenly and smoothly. The adjustable pressure setting allows for precise control. Number 2. 22 PCS Airless Paint Sprayer Gun Kit. Get everything you need for your next painting project with this comprehensive kit. It includes a high-pressure hose, multiple spray tips, extension wands, and filters for a seamless experience. This sprayer gun kit is designed to work with most airless paint sprayers. The included 50-foot hose offers great reach, and various nozzle and extension options cater to all your spraying needs. Achieve cleaner finishes with the included nozzle seat and filters, which prevent drips and clogs. The spray guide accessory tool is perfect for precise edge and trim work. Installation is straightforward. Simply attach the tip seal and spray tip, then connect the hose. You'll be ready to start spraying in no time. Crafted from robust materials like aluminum alloy, stainless steel, and tungsten steel, this kit is built to last. Its comfortable grip and durable design ensure long-term reliability. Cleaning is a breeze thanks to the reversible spray tip. Just rotate it 180 degrees and pull the trigger to quickly clear any blockages. Whether for home or industrial use, this kit is perfect for spraying doors, walls, fences, cabinets, and more. Tackle any indoor or outdoor project with confidence. What we like. This is a complete airless paint sprayer gun kit, including a 50-foot hose, multiple spray tips, extension wands, and filters, ensuring you have everything needed to start painting. It's widely compatible with most airless paint sprayers and features durable aluminum alloy and stainless steel construction. If you need a versatile and robust accessory kit for various indoor and outdoor projects like doors, trim, or fences, this package is an excellent value. What people say. The sprayer is easy to use and clean. It sprays evenly and covers large areas quickly. The adjustable pressure setting allows for control over the paint flow. Number 1. Graco Pro 210 ES Cart Pro Connect Paint Sprayer. Tired of complicated pump changes? With this sprayer, you can swap out the worn pump in just minutes. It's a simple, 4-step process with no loose parts to worry about. Experience efficient spraying with a flow rate of 0.47 gallons per minute. It's designed to support spray tips up to 0.021 inches, ensuring a consistent finish. The 1 horsepower DC motor provides robust power and can easily handle longer extension cords. Its durable construction ensures long-lasting performance for all your projects. Featuring an exclusive VMAX packing system, the Endurance pump guarantees the longest life and most reliable performance. You can count on it project after project. This package comes with everything you need to get started. It includes a metal spray gun, a versatile spray tip, a durable airless paint hose, and helpful guides. Apply a wide range of coatings, from light stains to heavy latex and acrylics. It's your go-to tool for most interior and exterior painting tasks. What we like. This sprayer features an incredibly easy pump swap system, allowing for quick replacements in minutes without losing parts. It boasts a high flow rate of 0.47 gallons per minute and supports a 0.021-inch spray tip. If you're a professional or serious DIYer who needs a reliable sprayer that can handle a wide variety of coatings from stains to heavy latex and acrylics, and values minimal downtime, this is a strong contender. What people say. This sprayer is easy to use and clean. It sprays paint evenly and smoothly. The sprayer is lightweight and portable. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.